Introducing the Gears Small Handlebar Bag for your snowmobile or ATV. Think of it as your very own on-the-go fanny pack, giving you quick, easy access to all your essentials right where you need them, on the handlebars.
Now the Gears Handlebar Bag is going to be a great way to add a little more storage to your snowmobile. You basically keep everything that's in your pockets, out of your pockets, and still within arm reach. Now taking a look at it here, this is basically a fanny pack for your sled. I mean, that's what it looks like, size-wise, everything here. It's pretty much a fanny pack for your sled. Now, I want to point out real quick here that this is made of what's called a Technolast. It's going to be a very rip-resistant material. It's going to be a little held up if you guys are going through thick trees and stuff like that. It's not going to snag, not going to tear. It's going to be, all in all, a great, hard-working material here. On the inside of every pocket, it is lined with a waterproof membrane in there to keep everything inside dry. If it's not 100% waterproof, it's going to be very water-resistant. Now this thing does have 3 pockets I want to point out. The first and foremost is on the front side here. Very wide or long, easy to grab canvas pulls here. Opens up. Probably not big enough for a cell phone, but big enough for your driver's license, maybe some cash, whatever you guys have inside there. Insurance maybe, fit right inside there. Now the second one here opens up to a nice wide open area here. Again, about the size of a fanny pack. I mean, that's about the storage you're going to get. What else can I say? Just one wide open pocket there. Now closing that one back up here. This is probably my favorite feature about the entire bag, is on the back side of the lid right here, there is a double-lined waterproof area here. Which is going to be big enough for a cell phone. Let's see if mine fits in there. Yep, sure does. So fit your phone in there. Like I said, it's going to be a waterproof area to keep the snow, any melted moisture off of it, and I would not feel scared at all to go riding in the sled on the snow with my phone in that pocket at all. Mounting this to your sled, very, very simple. Basically, these 4 quick release buckles. It comes with all the straps required. Straps right to your sled. That's it. Not much to worry about.
Add to cart and seize your adventure.